Welcome back to my channel. This is Volkswagen Tiguan 2008. We finished with installation of that 9-inch QLED HD Android navigation with octa-core CPU, 4 GB RAM and 64 GB internal storage. Steering wheel controls works, phone button also. We installed a rear HD wide angle parking camera for the handle of the opening back trunk. Let's make some fast settings. Device, keep sound, keep tone off. Let's check the radio.
Сега в емисията прогноза.
Okay.
Извадени 250 пункта, довели и до смъкването му по станцията на ATP.
Each station. Let's check GPS. Device, GPS. Oh, nice, it's perfect. 12 satellites in view. If you have any questions, write a comment, I will answer. Thanks for watching. Like and share video, subscribe to the channel. See you again in next video. Bye.